guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel by clicking that red subscribe button. If you're watching YouTube Kids, make sure you click the red gem to subscribe.
Toys.
Oh no, guys! We need help! Somebody took Buzz, Woody, Rex, Dinosaur, Hamm, and an alien, and the other 3 aliens who are eternally grateful. Who can help us? What's that, Bullseye? What do you see off in the distance? What is that? You see a big tower? Shaped like a T? Yes, I see it. It looks really cool, but maybe T stands for trouble. Or maybe T stands for terrible. Or maybe T stands for torturous. Tremendous. Terrific. Thrilling. Tiny. T for your tiny baby hands. I don't have tiny baby hands. Haha. The cracking of the jokes from the amazing comedy duo. Well, comedy duo? I've got a joke. What do you call a cow with no legs? Oh boy. Ground beef. That's an uncle joke, bro. What's up with you and that joke? You always say it.
Speaking of cow, let's have a meat party!
Guys, stop. I hear something like somebody's in trouble. Like a horse or something. Help us, help us. Yeah, somebody's downstairs. Well, if somebody's downstairs, then we have to go help. Teen Titans, go! I hope you're right, Bullseye. I hope the T doesn't stand for something bad. Well, hello, Mama. What? Mama? Hello. Oh, wow, you guys look like superheroes. We are superheroes. We're the Teen Titans. And I'm making a delicious barbecue. I really need your help if you're superheroes. These bad guys took my friends. Villains, you say? Do you know who they are or what they are? Well, I really don't know. All I remember is that it just got very cold, and without warning, my friends were gone. I followed a trail of ice, and then the trail ended. I couldn't find an entrance to any type of lair where it stopped. Titans, I know who did this. Mr. Freeze. Mr. Freeze? That's too easy. You sure, Robin? Yes, I'm sure. Yes, it has to be then. They took the aliens too. The aliens, yes, aliens from the system of Vega. Oh boy. Well, they're actually from Pizza Planet, but okay. Pizza? Pizza Planet? What? Oh my god, you guys, let's just go. I'm liking that horse. I think I need to change into that. Ooh. Yeah, let's go. Yippee-ki-yay! Good work, Penguin. We are almost complete with our rocket ship launch.
Hee the city of Gotham won't know what hit them. Ha ha.
Ooh. Quiet, you imbeciles. Getting those 2 guys in those vehicles and their little friends were a nice bonus. You're right about that, Penguin. Help get us out of here. Oh, we're frozen in these things. I can't get out. Whoa. What's that rumbling? I don't know, but we better start the rocket's timer to launch it into Batman's cave. Good idea. Ready to launch in 0.5 minutes. Whatever that means. Ooh. Who did that? Ugh. What was that? What is that? It looks like a pizza pie. A pizza? What is this, amateur hour? Yes, it looks that way. The Teen Titans are here. The Teen Titans? That's right, it is amateur hour, and the Teen Titans are here. Now release the cowgirl's friends. Are you serious? Take that, Titans. Ha! Miss me, Penguin. There's more where that came from, little bird. I'll show you, little. Take that. I may have baby hands, but I have big man feet. Ugh. Take that. We gotta change into something else. Beast Boy, I'm gonna do it. Here I go. I threw them more pizza, but it didn't hit him. That's right, it didn't. I'll knock him down. Leave it to me. You see the story in your eye. Yeah. You got him. Good job, comedy duo. That's what I'm talking about. Yep, I think we need to have a meat party. Come back into that horse. I'm hungry.
You can't eat me though, buddy.
Just change back into your normal self. This is crazy.
All right.
Thank you, everybody, for helping me save these cute aliens. Let's open up the door and get them out.
Well, I'll do it. I always wanted to save some aliens.
Maybe Raven should do it since she can speak alien. Yes, even though they're from the Vega of Planet, I do not think that I will be able to help them. That's right, because they're from Pizza Planet. Pizza Planet?
Yep, that's what I'm talking about. Pizza!
Meat party! What is this meat party you guys are talking about? The door I will open. Open up, open, El Doro.
Oh, you saved our lives. We are eternally grateful.
Oh, they are the grateful of eternal. This is great. Now we can go save Woody and Buzz and Rex and Hamm and the other alien. Let's get them out of the box. I'm gonna get you out, Woody. I can't do it though. Looks like you'll be needing some assistance. Let me help you. Can you get them out? I'm trying.
You can't open that box up with your tiny baby hands.
Ha ha! That's true! Oh, stop it, guys. I think I know who can help.
The other T that we know.
Tubey Toys can help. Oh, that's right. They can help us open up these big boxes. Let's go and get some help from them.
You saved our lives. We are eternally grateful.
Oh, the grateful of eternal. I love these little aliens. Can I take them with me? I don't see why not. We have so many, but let's see if we can ask Tubey Toys. Maybe she has some for you. Oh boy, like we need any more aliens in the house. Watch out, guys. Ah, Forky, it's a slow news day here over at Tubey Toys. Why do you say that? I don't have any toys to open. You hear that sound? It sounds like there's a delivery or something. What is that? Oh, this is crazy. Where are you going, Forky? Whoa, hey, Robin.
Hey, Robin.
Hey, M. Tubey. Hey, Tiffany. Hey, Robin, what's going on? I have some toys for you to unbox. Really? Like what? Well, Jessie from Toy Story stopped by and we had to save her friends and these aliens from Mr. Freeze. Wow, that is crazy. So you did some real hero work. Yes, we always do. Can we bring them and can you open them up for us? Because we can't seem to get them out.
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. All right, I'm gonna bring them now. Whoa, Robin, you really did a great job. You saved Woody and you saved RC. Oh, look, we have Alien and Rex Dinosaur and Hamm. And here's Buzz inside with the Pizza Planet truck. This is crazy. Hey, Jessie. Hey, Tiffany. We had to help and save our friends. Can you help and get them out of the box for us? Yeah, sure thing. Thanks for bringing them. I was getting really upset because me, Forky, and M. Tubey had no one to open. Hey, Jessie. Oh, I'm so glad you guys are okay. All right, let's get started. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to Tubey Toys if you haven't already. Ring that notification bell every time we post a new video or host a giveaway. You'll be the first one to get notified. Let's get this video started. Hey guys, it's Tiffany from Tubey Toys. I'm with my awesome assistant,
M. Tubey.
Can you say hello, M. Tubey?
Hello, M. Tubey.
Hey guys, today we have a really amazing unboxing to show you. We have the new Toy Story Imaginext Toys by Fisher-Price. We have Rex, Hamm, and Alien inside of a 3-pack. We also have Woody and RC.
Yeah, I love the RC.
Me too. And we also have Buzz Lightyear Pizza Planet delivery truck. How cool is that? Let's open it up. We hope you liked our skit in the beginning. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up for that. And please subscribe to Tubey Toys. Leave a comment below if you are excited about Toy Story 4. We cannot wait.
I am.
Oh my gosh.
I'm really excited.
I'm really excited.
I just want to see it today.
Me too. I can't wait until June because that means school's over and Toy Story. Woohoo! All right, let's get started. These are all of the ones you can collect. We're just missing Pizza Planet. And look at that. It really looks like Pizza Planet. And look at this. The only thing it's missing is the claw. Unless if you turn it around. Oh, there's the claw. There it is. Okay, so this is like the original one.
Yeah, that was the original.
Oh. This is for Rex, Hamm, and Alien. RC car. Here is Pizza Planet's barcode. I can get him out for you. Super easy with big hands. Is that a joke against me? No, Robin, never. I would never, ever, ever joke about your tiny baby hands. She said you got tiny baby hands. Burned! Meat party! Oh, that's enough. Just get them out of the packaging. All right, I will. I'm sorry. Wow, look how easy it is to open. I love Fisher-Price for that. They have the easiest way to unbox toys. It's just literally turning the dial and it's done. All right, now that we have everybody out of the box, now that everybody's unboxed, let's take a look at RC first. Excuse me. Now, RC is really super cool. We already have Woody inside the vehicle and you could take him out, but watch this. Look at his eyes.
They're moving.
That's right. When you move RC, his eyes move just like in the movie.
Yeah.
He doesn't come with a controller. He's not remote control, but he is really super cool. And I really, really like that we now have him as a part of a play set.
Yeah.
So this is just like the movie. We have spinning wheels that move his eyes too. And then we could remove the figures that you have inside. The steering wheel doesn't move. This is the only moving parts. Just the wheels, just the tires.
Yeah, and the eyes.
And the eyes, right. And we have this little antenna that moves a little bit, but it doesn't move unless you touch it. So this one comes with Woody, and we already saw Woody in a previous video. This is the same exact figure. So we have normal 5 points of articulation with this one. Let's move on to Rex, Dinosaur, Alien, and Hamm. Super excited to see these guys. Now the aliens that were rescued were not Imaginext. We actually got those in Hollywood Studios in Toy Story Land. So I picked these up from Walt Disney World for Santa, for Marcello, and it comes with 25 little green men. So super cool. This was actually one of the best buys, I think, from Disney World. It's a really, really good price. It was $18, and I don't think you could find them anywhere else but Disney World. So now I'm happy to have an Imaginext version of it, and these 3 packs are $7 along with the 2 packs of Buzz and Jessie and Woody and Bullseye. Really super cool. Yeah. He's not articulated or anything. He just is just adorable.
Yeah, I love his little smile.
Yeah, he's so cute. Then we have Hamm, who's not articulated either. He's just a stationary figure, and he is super adorable. I wonder how much money's inside of him. Wouldn't you like to know? Then we have Rex, Dinosaur. He is ferocious as he is adorable. He is articulated. He can move his little tiny hands.
He like has baby hands like Robin.
Oh, he does. Hey, Robin, somebody else has little hands. Yes, but I'm a ferocious dinosaur. I'm not a little superhero. Well, that's true. I have baby arms. Why is everybody talking about my small, girlish hands?
Because everyone could see them.
Oh. Well, moving on from that, we could move his head, move his legs. Can we move his tail? Yes, we can.
So cool.
That is so cool. Look at these big dino feet. He's so super cute. That is such a cute little set. Oh my gosh. Let's move on finally to our Pizza Planet truck. This is actually really super cool. It comes with Buzz Lightyear, and he is also the Buzz Lightyear that you can get in the 2-pack. They're gonna make you want to buy the 2-packs only because that's how you're gonna get Jessie and Bullseye. So you're gonna have to buy those 2-packs and get these sets. Now, I found this also at Walmart. This was $15. Pizza Planet RC was, I think, also $15 or $9. I have to take a look. I'll put the prices in my description below. You could also go to tubeytoys.com and get an in-depth look and a full review on our website. So he has also 5 points of articulation. Well, actually, hold on. 4 points. He can't turn his head. But his shoulders are pretty movable too. Let's take a look at Pizza Planet.
So cool.
It is really cool. We have the aliens traveling in the trunk over here, the cab.
But you can't really open up.
No, you can't open this up. That's a bummer. But it says yo on the back. The tires move. Very cool. And the doors open and they close on both sides. So you could put your little driver in there or your aliens. And it says Pizza Planet Delivery Shuttle, serving your local star cluster. Super cool. And on the top, we have the rocket that says Pizza Planet. And this is our area where we're going to launch. We're going to be able to turn this and we're going to launch out these cool things. Watch this. Super cool. Under the hood, we have a launcher for our pizza disc. It looks like we have pizza, but comparing the two pizzas from,
Teen Titans?
Yeah, this is the Teen Titans Go pizza, which really looks like pizza. And this, I don't know what this is. It looks like a cog of some sort. It doesn't look like a pizza. It looks like a cog with some fake pepperoni. Look at the detail with this pizza against this one. I'm liking this pizza better. Let's see if it fits. Woo!
All Imaginext from those circles fit.
Yeah, they're all the same, exactly. This actually looks like it's from the Mr. Freeze set because it had something to hold it. There is no holder on here. Maybe in the Pizza Planet playset, there's gonna be like a disc holder. That's probably why they have it like this. So let's put it back in here. Keep your disc inside here and close it up. So anytime there's like a bad guy, you could just put Buzz or maybe even Woody on top and then turn it.
Like Lacta or Dr. Porkchop.
Yep. Woo! Super cool. Now, Now that we looked at everybody from the Toy Story line, I just want to take a quick look at our Teen Titans Go. When Beast Boy turns into a horse, his horse is actually really majestic and really cool. Look what his horse can do.
There was a person who came with it. It was Tara, Beast Boy's girlfriend.
That's right.
But then Tara didn't like Beast Boy, so Raven Dan was his girlfriend.
That's right. But let's take a look at Bullseye. Let's remove Jessie for just 1 second. Look at Bullseye can only move his head. I wish that he could move his little tail. That would be super cool.
He can move his tail. He could turn it all around.
I know, you could turn it, but it doesn't move his head or anything. You could just turn his head. I mean, you could turn his tail and you could turn his head, but it doesn't move it like this. This is really cool. Let's see if Jessie can go on it. Oh, we could intertwine all of our Imaginext toys and have a real fun party with them.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So this is the first of many Imaginext skits that we're gonna do. Let us know in the comments below what you thought of it. Let me know in the comments below which is your favorite toy from this Toy Story line so far. Hopefully our next unboxing video will be Pizza Planet.
Yeah, that is my favorite. Once we get the Pizza Planet, we'll be all done with the Toy Story Imaginext. Good thing we won't have to buy any more after.
I know. Look how cool that is.
And
I just love this.
Guys, from Sweet Sweet, we went to a toy fair and we got this big Imaginext Iron Man.
No, that's not Imaginext. That's Hasbro.
Oh, it's Hasbro.
Yeah, that's not that. But we could see if that fits. We'll do the comparison video in our next one. Guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel. In our next video, we're going to compare the Iron Man set, and then we'll also include our Junior Supers from Jakks Pacific and see how they all work together. And because we did it in another video and I thought it was pretty fun. So let's get Incredibles in this too. All right, guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel if you liked our video. And if you're new here, please let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, guys.
And have a great day.
Yeah.
Have a Toy Story 4 day once you see the movie.
Yeah, and let's get some pizza.
Yeah.
I'm hungry.
Me too, I want breakfast. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, yeah, yeah.